We do it. We good to go? I think we're good to go. Alright, come on. Yo, what's up, YouTube? So look, another late night POV drive. It's not really late night, but it's just, as I'm saying, it's winter time, so it's dark outside, and that's just how I like it. For me to do a daytime drive, it's got to be some nice scenery or like a good weather, you know what I'm saying? Like it's nice and sunny outside or some shit. If not, I just like my POVs at night. I just like going for a little drive when it's dark outside. It's just a lot better, in my opinion. But yeah, we're gonna skip this boring part right here. Cause these roads are just bumpy, so yeah. It's like, yo, I just seen something. What the hell was that? I think I just saw something. What the hell? I don't know. But yeah, look, guys. Sometimes I'm gonna talk throughout the POV. Sometimes literally no speaking, just a POV drive. So I'm saying sometimes I'm gonna just let the drive, some saying be, and just drive. And yeah, if I've got something to talk about, then we can talk. Got more time, just gonna be driving, man. Gonna drive for a little bit, and then I'm jump out the car, show you guys how the car looks like, what car it is I'm driving. It's just a Sciroco. It's just a white color Volkswagen Sciroco, and sports 2-liter diesel with the pan roof as well. What else? Sports mode, heat seating, leather seats. Yeah, but the car, it looks stupid from the outside right now. It doesn't look right at all. Now the reason being is because there's something that needs to be fixed in the I don't know. Something needs to be fixed somewhere, like on the headlights or some shit. And so my car, like the front part is just risen, and it just looks like a monster truck instead of a low, Sciroco. It just looks like a monster truck from the front. So what we'll do is, after we hit this motorway, we'll spin back. I'll show you guys. I'll step out the car, show you guys how the fuck the car looking like right now. It's kind of annoying, but I don't care. Fuck it. Damn, what the fuck? Done now. How do you guys hold the steering wheel? Like, I don't know. I just be changing it out as I drive. Like, I hold it like this, then I switch to the right hand, then I'm like this for fun, then I'm like this on some chill shit. You know what I'm saying? Or I go both arms down below. I rarely do this, cause like, if you do this, you just weird. But like, I do this once in a while, like maybe. So I'm saying not on the motorway though. Like yeah. I don't know. I don't really have a specific way of holding the fucking steering wheel. I just be fucking freestyling and shit. Bro, I might hit the left lane, but this car behind me is on my ass. And I'm about to take this left turn anyways. This left exit, sorry. Yeah, there you go. Nigga was on my ass, bro. I'm about to take this exit, so I can't really go any faster. This nigga on my ass. I'm about to take this exit right here. That nigga was on me. How does shit look right now? Valid. But yeah, I've always wanted to do the POV drives and stuff in this very same car as well. I wanted this with the first car and I got it, so that's nice. I was delaying a bit, man, as well. I should have been started the POV drives, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. One of my boys had to keep reminding me and shit. NJ, so yeah. I was like, yeah, you're right. I need to stop procrastinating and just get the camera. Got the camera now, so we're good. Should we hit the city center though? I don't know. What I'm gonna start doing actually, yeah, is like when let's say if I leave the city, go somewhere nice, yeah, just go for drives in places that's actually nice visibly, because this city that I'm staying at right now, bro, is a very small city. There's not much places to go, you know what I'm saying, to show. So it's gonna be the same schmegler ass places, and it can't be like that. I've got to change it up a bit. But yeah, this is probably like my second video by the time you guys see this anyway, so I'm not worrying too much about changing up my scenery just yet for the POV drives. Like, that's gonna happen over time, obviously. But as of right now, we're good. By the way, if you guys see me, you know what I'm saying, like, what's it called? I do drive with the black box. It's right there. My black box right there, but I live in the fucking UK, innit? So I'm a young boy, 21. When I got this Sciroco, I don't know why, but they was violating with the insurance, talking about some 500 a month and some more shit, bro. And I'm not paying that for insurance on the car that I want to drive. So I've got a black box and that cut it down a bit. I'm still paying $250 a month, which is alright for the insurance and shit. But yeah, I did what I had to do. So I've got a black box. I still, that's what I'm saying, I can still have fun in it. Like, it doesn't matter. Fuck it, is what it is. Next car though, no black box. Better car, more fun. That car was taking too long. I'm gone. Yeah, I didn't know if that car was hitting the right or what. No signal, taking too long, bro. Had to go. Let's hit this left right here. That's good to go. You know what I want to do is hit like a racing track and just have fun on a racing track, because I need to learn how to use my paddle shifters. I don't know how to use the paddle shifters fully. I can use it a little bit. I do use them. I'm gonna grab the clippers so they come up here so you can see them properly. But yeah, they're behind the steering wheel right there. I can still play about with the paddle shifters and drive the car in manual mode and shit. But I'm not the best at using them. So I've got to hit like a little private track and just learn how to use the shifters. Or just watch videos. Literally just watch videos on how to use them motherfuckers, bro, because that shit looks fun. When I watch the videos of the guys using the shifters instead, I wanna learn how to use them. But yeah, next POV drive, we might slap it in sports mode and just go crazy. But right now we're just chilling, cruising in normal auto mode, man. Alright, crazy. What I'm gonna do is pull over, I'm gonna pull up and then show you guys what the car looks like right now. Yeah, show you guys what the car looks like right now. Why I say it looks like a monster truck instead of it being nice and low. And yeah. But yeah, this car here, I'm not gonna do anything crazy to this car. I'm not wrapping it, I'm not doing anything like that. No crazy specs, I just left it how it is, man. The car's got a lot of miles on it. I'm just having fun with it for as long as I can, man. And then we'll grab a new one, maybe in a year or two we'll grab a new one. But right now I just kind of want to rinse this car up, man, and just have fun with it. I wonder, why the hell did he just stop? Dude, that confused the hell out of me, bro. Alright, we're gonna pull up on the right. I'm gonna give you guys a little preview of how the car's looking right now. Put up on the right, give you guys a little preview of how the car's looking right now. I'm also dumb as fuck with this camera on my head, bro. It's a big ass. Damn, what the? It's a big ass parking spot. So you pull up over here somewhere, preferably down there. Yeah, we're gonna hit this right here, man. And then we're gonna park out right here and hit one of these. Yeah. Alright, let's step out, show you guys how the car's looking at right now. Just a moment. Fuck, you know, alright, look. Look, Pete, this is how the car looking like right now, right? And this is what I'm talking about. So look. Look at the gap. Look at the fucking gap. This shit don't make no goddamn sense, bro. The gap with the tire and this part right here is too. It was much lower, but yeah, because something to do with my headlights, need them to be fixed or some shit. The mechanic hired it, so it just looks like a monster truck right now. But it still look cool though. It still look alright. It's fine. It's fine. It's great. Like I said, I'm not gonna do too much to this car, man. I don't care. I'm gonna just leave it how it is, and then yeah, give me a year, 2 years, so grab a new one. But for now, the car is fine, man. What the fuck? back to bro car, bro. But yeah, we going back inside. I don't know what happened to his car, bro. But your car bugging. Your car bugging, bro. I ain't gonna lie, man. Your car bugging. Your car's bugging. But yeah, man, that's how the car's looking at right now. For some reason, the car has been risen up, the front part. I'm not gonna lower it. I'm gonna just leave this car, leave it how it be. And like I said, bro, I like this car a lot because I wanted this car for time. So I'm saying I wanted this the Sciroco for time, and then my friends were selling the car. I got the Sciroco. I used to ask the nigga, yo, let me buy your car, bro. But yeah, he ended up selling it to me because he got a new Sciroco. So I was like, yeah, let me grab it. Hey, they're close, yeah, they're close. Spinning it. Long do one bit. There we go. Chill, here we drive. Someone took my. I thought someone took my spot. Alright, huh? I can't work it. One sec. Cool. Then it start going crazy, like everybody hit something. So cool, I'm gonna stop right here. I still got space, but peep when I jump outside. Let's see how much space I've got outside, bro. This shit always does this, but I don't know. Alright, we're gonna end up for the day. See y'all boys in the next one, man.